What is HIIT? High intensity interval training. It is an effective exercise that is proven to maximize your results and take less time than the average workout session. HIIT workouts consist of alternating between bursts of high intensity exercise and low intensity exercise. Let's look at some HIIT workout examples that will blast fat fast. 1. 10-minute treadmill blast. This workout will take 10 minutes. Start with a light jog for 3 minutes and then complete 10 minutes. Beginner. 20 seconds of work, 40 seconds recovery into 10 minutes. Intermediate. 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds of recovery into 10 minutes. Advanced. 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of recovery into 10 minutes. It does not include 3 minutes warm up or cool down. Once you can complete the advanced level and need more of challenge, try adding a slight incline for variation or try the exact same workout on a stationary bike. 2. Bosu ball met boost circuit. This circuit will boost your metabolism and melt those calories while adding strength and improving your balance and endurance. Do each exercise without resting between movements. Rest 30 to 45 seconds between circuits. Shoot for 5 complete circuits. When your fitness level improves, add 2 to 3 circuits. Bosu ball mountain climber. Invert a Bosu ball, grasp the sides, get into push-up plank position and quickly alternate bringing each knee up to your chest as if running. Bosu ball lunge. Position a Bosu ball flat side down and stand 2 to 2.5 feet away with your hands on your waist. Step forward onto the Bosu with your right foot, lowering your torso. Push with your front foot to the upright position and repeat with other foot. Bosu ball push-up. Place a Bosu ball on the floor so that off ball is facing down. Assume a push-up position with your hands on the sides on the ball's platform. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ball. Pause, then push yourself back to the starting position as quickly as possible. 3. 10-minute tone-up beach workout. Single leg bounding. Drive the right knee up and leap off the left leg. Pretending you are gliding through the air, repeat on the other side. Try to get as high as possible. Plank drag. Start in a plank position. Use dumbbells or kettlebell. Drag weight from one hand to another side by taking load on one side shoulder. Lateral shuffle. Shuffle laterally from one towel to other, facing the same way as you go there and back. Hinge at the waist. Bend down and walk your hands away from your feet so you are in a plank position. Do one push-up, walk your feet towards your hands and repeat. Long jumps. Bend your knees and jump as far as you can. Keep jumping for the whole 30 seconds. 4. Jump rope interval workout. Complete the following circuits 4 times, resting 1 minute after jumping rope in each round. First, mountain climbing 45 repetition. The mountain climber is a body weight exercise that serve as a great full body workout. 2. Push-ups 20 to 30 repetition. A push-up is a common calisthenic exercise beginning from the prone position. By raising and lowering the body using the arms, push-up exercises. Front plank for 1 minute. It is an isometric core strength exercise that involves maintaining a position similar to push-up for the maximum possible time. Jump rope for 1 minute. Jump rope is a tool used in the sports of skipping, jump rope where one or more participants jump over a rope swung.